Hi, I'm Anna with the Frain Group. Today we'll be cycling your double motion leak kettle integrated with optional equipment. This machine is currently set at 480 volts, 3-phase. We recommend you read the manual in its entirety before powering on this machine. We will now be demonstrating variable speed. We tested the internal pressure and it is currently holding at 20 psi. We pressure tested the jacket and it is currently holding at 90 psi.